What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your desktop or laptop on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get right into this. So this is from Windows itself. This is not from like recovery mode or boot mode. This is basically what I mean by that is when you turn on your computer. This is from the computer itself when you're logged in, and you want to essentially do it from here, because you'd be surprised a lot of folks do want to factory reset it because it just started to get slow. Maybe, I don't know, has a virus or something, whatever the case is. And it should be kind of good to do in general. I would in general recommend it like at least once or twice a year to do this. So what you need to do to basically do this is once you're in the search bar, just type in reset this PC until you see this pop up, and in here there's something straight up at the top called if you reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help, etc., etc. Essentially, you can choose over here, and it can even tell you, like, do you want to make a copy? Do you want to do a full-blown reset? Just like your phone, it'll ask you, do you want to, like, just delete the apps? Do you want to just delete the information or keep the apps, etc., etc.? There is, like, versions or types of formats on how you can essentially do this. So, yeah, that's basically it. You just do the steps from here, and you guys should be good to go. So, yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. You guys in channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.